Hello guys, this is BMK Shots, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about frequency separation. So basically, frequency separation is separating the high and low frequency of a picture. So I already have my action here. If you want this action, you can just send a message to bmkshots@gmail.com. So high frequency denotes the textures, spots and wrinkles, while low frequency is for the skin tones. So if we are separating them and we are working on them individually. So first of all, we're going to sample where we want to work on, and this will be done on the low frequency. This should be done on the low frequency. So let me just do it fast. Okay, if you made a mistake, you can hold alternate still with your, okay, I didn't tell you guys the tool is lasso tool. My bad, I'm sorry about that. Lasso tool. So if you made a mistake, you can just hold alternate. You can see the sign has changed to minus. Then you can deselect. Then when it's on plus, you select. So I think we are done with everywhere, and this should just be done on the skin, not, I don't do it on the nose. I don't do it on the nose. I can just do it this way. So that's it. So then we'll come to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. You can use 7 to 8 depending on, now the more the number, the more the effect. If you put it on 40, you can see picture is bad, to look bad. So let me just do 8. I think 8 is good. Or 9. Okay, let me just stay with 8. Let me just stick with 8. So next to clone stamp tool. This tool will be used to take out spots. Now if you click on the tool, they'll give you like a heads up and information. So how we use this tool, we hold alternate, then click on where we desire where we want to copy, then we click on where we don't want. So if this is a smooth area, you can hold alternate and click, left click, then you click on a spot, so it will copy that place automatically. So let me just do it, just go fast, because I don't want this video to be long and boring. Because it's not boring, it's not going to be boring, trust me. So you can increase the size of the brush just to be fast. You have to be careful. Okay, this is the most stressful point of editing, taking off spots, most stressful points. And this guy has lots of spots. He has lots of spots. It's crazy. Okay, so we are just clicking while holding alternate, and we are brushing over where there is spots and wrinkles, where there are spots and wrinkles. Okay, I think we are heading somewhere now. Before and after, so that's good. This is quite strenuous, but it's not compared to Dodge and Burn, Micro Dodge and Burn. I'll drop a video on Micro Dodge and Burn there. So I think that will be next week. Drop a video on Micro Dodge and Burn. That will be, the video will be quite long, very long. Well, you don't have to zoom in like this. I'm used to this. But as for starters, you don't have to zoom in too close to your pictures. You can just leave them this way. Take out visible spots. I'm used to this. While starting out, I was not zooming in this close, but getting used to it. Okay, let's see the before and after. So there, we're heading there, getting there. Okay, if you want to undo Ctrl Z. Okay, for these spots, I'll use the spot healing brush tool to just take it off, because there's an outline, there's a line there. I don't want to take off that highlight. So just continue. This you have to be careful. Okay, almost done. I'm fast with this, but when starting out, you can just take your time. It took me years to get this fast. You can just take your time. I'm very fast with this. I can remember before while starting out, I think that was 2017, 2018. I was very slow, but now I'm fast. Practice makes perfect. To make you good, you get faster at doing some certain things. So take this off. That's good. And this, yeah. Just have to be careful so do not spoil the picture. This place is a really good technique So you just do it to avoid copying where there is spots. Like as you can see, I'm copying from where there are no spots to where, and I'm brushing over where there are spots. Zoom out. Okay, these black spots here happens. Okay, now as you can see, I'm zooming in effortlessly, and the way I'm doing that is by holding alternate and rolling my mouse inside and outside, like up and down. So I hold here, this is zooming out, outside, then inside. I'm putting my mouse, rolling my mouse inside, zooming in. So I think we are done with this. Just go over the news. So in case you want to have a model shoot, just get ready for this task, get ready for this work, or to make your work easier for you, go look for a model with clear skin. But just have to be good with this. You might not get that clear skin model, that perfect model, but just get used to this. It's easy for me. As you can see, I'm doing it stressfully. I'm doing it without stress. Stress free. So I think we're done. So this place is dark. This picture was shot with natural light. So let me just go over the hand. There are just little spots. Maybe it's a mark. Just have to do it. Now I zoomed out completely using Ctrl O, Ctrl 0, Ctrl 0. So now we are done with the texture, which is the high frequency. It's frequency for textures, spots and wrinkles, and imperfections, skin imperfections. So now I'm going to move to the low frequency. Now let's see the before and after. As you can see, before and after. So now the low frequency is for blending, and basically we use the mixer brush too. Shortcut for that is B. So just look at my settings. These settings are like, you can just keep your settings at 18, or 15. Your words should be low. They should not be low. They should not be low. They should not be low. Then this figure, it doesn't really matter. I just left mine on 31. Then choose this one. Don't choose this one. Clean the brush after each stroke. It should be one you should choose. Then leave this one. Then it should be like this. It should be like this. There should be no color here. It should just be this mask layer. So 41, hardness is 41. So it's not that hard. So let's just brush. I just have to go for the blending. And if you are new to this will take some time to perfect, or to take some time for you to see what I'm doing actually. Okay, let me just make it progress for you. For you all to see. I'll make it progress for you all to see what I'm doing. Let me just make it progress. So I can drag from where there is light to where there is no light. As you can see, here is more brighter now. Before I can drag. I see. So, but I like this shadow here. It gives the picture a realistic feel. So the neck and the hand. So let me just take this. I don't like how it's looking. This on the high frequency for textures, for spots and wrinkles. So I can still blend that. Okay, I think that's okay. So I can still come here and do some work here. So that's good. But I rarely use this spot healing brush tool because it gives some layers. It gives some marks I don't like. This one is softer. So if you observe that this spot clone stamp tool is getting strong, you can just reduce the hardness. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Let me just do the before and after. Before and after. As you can see, the picture is looking good now thanks to frequency separation. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye, stay safe.